This tutorial will explain how to record a bill in Brokermint. You can record a bill from 3 places: an agent ledger page, a transaction ledger page, or the main menu. To record a bill from an agent ledger, navigate to Accounting under Overview, select Agent Ledgers, and then locate and click an agent whose bill you would like to record. On their agent ledger page, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Add Bill. In the wizard that appears, select whether the new bill is related to any existing Brokermint real estate transaction with a specific address or not. If related, type in the address, locate the transaction, and click Continue. Now select the bill date and the due date. Provide a number and add as many line items as you need. For each line item, select a general ledger account, add a memo, quantity, and price. You can also customize an AP account on each line item by selecting an existing AP account or adding a new one. The AP field is available when you have more than one account payable in your chart of accounts. You can also select or update an existing Brokermint real estate transaction related to this bill, if needed, from here. When done, click Create. You're all set. The added bill becomes immediately available on the agent's side on their billing page. To record a bill from a transaction ledger, navigate to Transactions under Overview and select a transaction by clicking it. In the main menu, select Commissions under Assets and then select Transaction Ledger under Commissions. On the Transaction Ledger page that appears, click Actions in the top right-hand corner and select Add Bill. You'll see the same new bill wizard we just opened and filled out together from the Agent Ledger page. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. You can also record a bill from the main menu. To do that, navigate to Accounting under Overview. Click the Add button at the top of the main menu and select Bill. You'll see the same new bill wizard we just opened and filled out together from the Agent Ledger and Transaction Ledger pages. Fill out the fields, click Create, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.